Om Namaste, my dear Chandrika children. In the last class, we have discussed the topic of trigonometry ratios, complementary angles, and trigonometry ratios for all angles by using arithmetic method. Okay, today in today's class, we are going to discuss the examples which are related to the trigonometry ratios for complementary angles. Okay, now let us discuss that. Now, uh, now see your example number 8, page number 291. Okay, page number 291, example 8. Okay, what is example 8? Evaluate sec 35 degrees by cosec 55 degrees. Okay, now see here example number 8. Okay, example number 8. Okay, evaluate the following. Okay, evaluate what sec 35 degrees by sec 35 degrees by cosec 55 degrees. Okay, cosec 55 degrees. Okay, now we have to find the value of this given fraction. Okay, sec 35 degrees by cosec 55 degrees. Okay, now here what 35 plus 55 how much? 35 plus 55 how much? 35 plus 55 equal to 90. So what the heat theta 1? 35 degree heat theta 1. So 55 degree heat theta 2. Okay, so 35 plus 55 equal to 90. So what theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90 degrees. Okay, if theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 90 degrees, then we have to change any one of the trigonometry ratio. Okay, into other trigonometry ratio. Okay, you have changed means what? We have to write 35 in terms of 55, or we have to write 55 in terms of 35. Okay, so let us discuss that. No, I am writing 35 as 35 in terms of 55. So 35 with 55 equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so now 35 can be just 90 minus 55. Okay, so I am writing as sec 35 degrees equal to sec 90 minus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 55 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees minus 55 degrees. Okay, by cosec 55 degrees. Okay, cosec 55 degrees. Okay, now sec 90 minus theta. Okay, sec 90 minus theta equal to what? Cosec theta. Okay, already we have discussed in the topic of trigonometry ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so sec 35 get theta, sec 90 minus 55. Okay, now sec 90 minus theta equal to what? Cosec theta. Okay, so cosec 55 degrees. Okay, cosec 55 degrees. Cosec 55 degrees by cosec 55 degrees. Okay, cosec 55 degrees by cosec 55 degrees. Okay, now how things now to write here since sec 90 minus theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. Okay, 90 minus theta equal to 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. Okay, cosec theta. Okay, cosec theta. Okay, now cosec 55 degrees is cosec 55 degrees. So both terms to get cancelled, and you can get what? 1 by 1. 1 by 1. That equal to 1. Okay, so what you have to write? So what you have to write? Therefore sec 35 degrees by sec 35 degrees by cosec 55 degrees equal to 1. Cosec 55 degrees equal to 1. Okay? Sec 35 degrees by cosec 55 degrees equal to 1. Okay? Into what here? 35 with 55 equal 90. So into what theta 100, theta 2 equal 90. So if theta 100, theta 2 equal 90, then automatically we have to change any one angle. Okay? So sec 35 I am changing sec 35 as sec 90 minus 55. So sec 90 minus theta equal cosec theta. So sec 90 minus 55 degrees equal to cosec 55 degrees. Cosec 55 degrees by cosec 55 degrees. Both can get cancelled and you can get the values 1 by 1, which is nothing but 1. So therefore sec 35 degrees by cosec 55 degrees equal to 1. Okay, now next problem we can discuss this example number 9. Okay, example number 9. Example number 9 we can discuss. Okay, these are nothing but the 1 mark and 2 mark problems. Okay, reason good. You have to give perfect reason why each and every step of the problem. Okay, now 9th one. What is example number 9? Example number 9 we are discussing now. Example number 9. Okay, example number 9. Okay, now what is example number 9? If cos 7a equal to sin of a minus 60 degrees. Okay, cos 7a equal to cos 7a equal to sin of a minus 60 degrees. Okay, a minus 6 degrees. Okay, a minus 60 degrees. Okay, if cos 7a equal to sin of a minus 60 degrees, where 7a is an acute angle. Okay, 7a, this is what angle now. 7a is an acute angle. Acute angle means what? Less than 90 degrees. Okay, so the value of 7a is always less than 90 degrees. Okay? Now you have to find the value of A. Okay? That is the given problem. Okay? Now here cos and sin both are different trigonometric issues. Okay? And they said these two are equal. Okay? Now we have to find, now what we have to do, we have to change the cos 70 in terms of hand trigonometric ratio. Okay? That is nothing but cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Okay? That is no. Sin 90 minus theta equal cos theta. So cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. So here theta equal to what? 70. Okay? Now I am writing cos 70 equal to sin 90 minus 70. Sin 90 minus 70 equal to 90 minus 78 equal to sine of A minus 6 degrees. Okay? Now, how since cos theta equals sin 90 minus theta. Okay, that is what right here. Okay? Since cos theta equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Okay? Here theta equal what? 70. Okay? Sine of 90 minus theta. Okay? So cos theta equals sin 90 minus theta. So according to the formula, cos 70 equal to sin 90 minus 70, where theta equal to 70. Okay? Now 90 minus 70. Look at here. Now in this equation, sin theta equal to sin theta. Into our sin trigonometric ratios are equal. So sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2. And automatically theta 1 equal to theta 2. So therefore 90 minus 70 equal to 90 minus 70 equal to A minus 60 degrees. Okay? A minus 60 degrees. Okay? What do I write here? If sin theta 1 equal to theta 2, here sin theta 1 equal to theta 2, sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2, sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2, sin theta 2, then theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay? Theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay? Now if sin theta 1 equal sin theta 2, then theta 1 equal theta 2. Okay? According to this statement, if sin 90 minus 70 equal to sin A minus 60 degrees, then 90 minus 70 equal to A minus 60 degrees. Okay? Now bring the right terms together and bring the numbers together. Okay? So 90 plus 6 equal to 90 plus 6 equal to A plus 70. Okay? Now 90 plus 6 equal to what? 96 equal to 70 plus A equal to what? 88. Okay? So 88 equal to AJ equal to 96. Okay, now AJ equal to what? AJ equal to 96 degrees. Okay, so we are finding the angle zone. That's what we have to keep compulsory degrees. Okay, now so 96 degrees. Okay, AJ equal to 96 degrees. A equal to 96 degrees by 12 by 8. Okay, 96 degrees by 8. Okay, 8 1 8. Okay, 8 2 90 degrees. Okay, so A equal to what? 12 degrees. Okay, A equal to 12 degrees. Okay, that is the value of A. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, what you have to find the value of A. So A equals 12 degrees. Okay, now therefore the value of A is 12 degrees. Okay, therefore the value of A is value of A is 12 degrees. A is 12 degrees. Okay. In this way, you have to find each type of problem. Simple. But make the trigonometric ratios on both sides equal. Okay, by using your trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, then after making the ratios equal, automatically the angles will be equal. Okay, so make the two angles equal and use one algebraic expression method to solve the equation. Okay, so on the equation with what? Finding the unknown value. Okay, that may be any angle or any value. Okay, now we are going to discuss about example number 10. Okay. Okay, example number 10 we are going to discuss now. Okay, what is example number 10? If sin A equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, that is example number 10. Okay, now we are going to discuss the example number 10. Okay, what is given? If sin A equal to cos B, okay, if sin A equal to cos B, then prove that A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this is the given question. So sin A equal to cos B. Same in the example number 9, we have to make the trigonometric ratios on both sides equal. Okay, for that I am using the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. That is sin A equal to sin 90 minus b. Okay, sin 90 minus b. Okay, sin 90 degrees minus b. Why? Because sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, that you have to write here. Since sin 90 cos theta equal to cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Okay, sin 90 minus 90 degrees minus theta. Okay. So according to this concept, cos b can be equal sin 90 minus b, which was sin a equal to sin 90 degrees minus b. Okay. Now in this see this equation. In the equation, both trigonometric ratios are equal. So the angles are equal. Why? To sin theta 1 equal sin theta 2, then theta 1 equal to theta 2. So A equal to 90 degrees minus b. Okay. Now what order area? If sin theta 1 equal sin theta 2, if sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2, if sin theta 1 equal to sin theta 2, okay, then theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay, theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay, theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay, is the reason. So sin A equal to sin 90 degrees minus b. So sin theta 1 equal sin theta 2. So theta 1 equal to theta 2. Okay. Now so A equal to 90 degrees minus b. Now bring minus b to hs, which was left hand side of the equation. So minus b can become as plus b. So a plus b equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this is the required proof. Okay, this is the mark problem. Okay, now hence proof. Hence proof. Okay, hence proof. Okay, now this is your example number 10. Hey, go Kalbi. So we are taking Kalbi in terms of we are taking Kalbi in terms of hand theta. Cos theta equals sin 90 minus theta. Sin A equal to sin 90 degrees minus b. So if sin theta 1 equals sin theta 2, then theta 1 equals theta 2. So A equal to 90 degrees minus b. Now bring the b value to left hand side. So A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this is your example number 10. Okay, now we are going to discuss about example number 11. Okay, now we are going to discuss about example number 11. Okay. Okay, what is example number 11? Is the question? What is example number 11? X plus sin 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay? Means what? What is the given expression? Sin 81 degrees plus sin 81 degrees 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees. Okay? Tan 81 degrees. Okay? Now we have to convert these two angles. These angles are greater than 45 degrees. Okay? Now we have to convert these two angles in between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay? So, sin 81 degrees can be written as sin 90 minus 9. Okay, sin 90 minus 9. 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. Okay? Okay, 81 can be written as 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. Okay? Plus tan 81 degrees equal to what? Tan 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. Okay? Tan 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. Okay? 90 degrees minus 9 degrees. Okay? Now, here see sin 90 minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. So, cos 9 degrees. Okay? Cos 9 degrees. Okay? Plus tan 90 minus 9. Tan 90 minus 9 degrees is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay? So cos 90 degrees. Okay, cos 9 degrees. Okay? 9 degrees. Okay? Here we have to write since sin 90 minus theta equal to sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, and tan 90 minus theta equal to and tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 degrees minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay? Cos theta. Okay? So, sin 90 minus 9 equal to cos 9 degrees and tan 90 minus 9 degrees equal to cos 9 degrees. Okay? Therefore, sin 81 degrees. Okay, sin 81 degrees. Sin 81 degrees plus tan 81 degrees equal to 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 cos 9 degrees cos 9 degrees plus cos 9 degrees plus cot 9 degrees. Okay, cot 9 degrees. Okay, cot 9 degrees. Okay, now this is the given answer. So sin 81 degrees plus sin 81 degrees equal to cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 cos 9 degrees. Okay, in the answer. Okay, we are using sin 90 minus theta equal cos theta and tan 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay. Any doubt? If you have doubt, come to school and clarify your doubts. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the example number 12. Okay, example number 12 we are going to discuss now. Okay, now what is example number 12? If A, B and C are angles of a triangle ABC. Okay? Okay. Then show that sin B plus C by 2 equal to cos A by 2. Okay? Now here it is now one triangle. Okay? A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay? Now A, B, C are the angles of a triangle ABC. Okay? So the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay? That is angle sum property. Okay? That we have to discuss. Okay? Now in triangle A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. A base, B base, C equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. Okay, now that is angle sum property. Okay, angle sum property of triangle. Okay, in your geometry it will be angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Property angle sum property of triangle. Okay, of triangle. Of triangles. Okay, of triangles. Okay, now A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. That already we know. That only we are using in this problem. Okay, so now we want to add in A what is there, B plus C there. So we have to send A to the side. So B plus C equal to 180 degrees minus A. Okay, B plus C equal to 180 degrees minus A. Okay, now what is asked B plus C by 2. So B plus C I am giving in H hand. I am sending the value of and A to at the side. So then we can get it as B plus C equal to 180 degrees minus A. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to divide 2 on both sides. So dividing 2 on both sides. Dividing 2 2 on dividing 2 on both sides. Okay, on both sides. Okay, dividing 2 on both sides. Okay, then what we can get? Divide the 2 value on both sides. So we can get as b plus 3 by 2 equal to b plus 3 by 2 equal to 180 degrees minus a, 180 degrees minus a by 2. Okay. Now in HS we got, okay, HS we did not get. So b plus 3 by 2 keep like that only. Okay, b plus 3 by 2 b plus 3 by 2 equal to, now in HS divide the denominator to 2 terms. So what you can add? 180 degrees by 2, 180 degrees by 2 minus a by 2. Okay, a by 2. Okay, now 2 on the 290 are. Okay, so 290 are. So what you can get? So what you can get? B plus 3 by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus a by 2. Okay? Okay, b plus 3 by 2 equal to b plus 3 by 2 equal to 190 by 2, 90. So 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus a by 2. Okay, now what do you apply? What do you ask the sign of b plus 3 by 2? No. So applying sin trigonometric ratio on both sides. Okay? So applying sin trigonometric ratio, sin we should not add, we should apply because sin trigonometric sin is a function, not an operation. Okay? So we are applying sin trigonometric ratio, sin trigonometric ratio, applying sin trigonometric ratio on both sides. Okay? Ratio on both sides. Okay? On both sides. Okay? On both sides we have to apply the sin trigonometric ratio. On both sides. Okay? Okay? Applying sin trigonometric ratio on both sides. So what we can add? Sin Sin of b plus c by 2 equal to sin of b plus c by 2 equal to sin of 90 degrees minus sin of 90 degrees minus a by 2. Okay, sin of 90 degrees minus a by 2. Okay, now applying hand trigonometric ratios on both sides here, again sin of b plus c by 2 equal to sin 90 minus a by 2. Now what sin 90 minus a by 2 means what? It is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. Okay, sin 90 minus a by 2 is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. Now sin 90 minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. What is theta here? A by 2. So, therefore, sin of b plus c by 2 equal to sin of b plus c by 2. b plus c by 2 equal to b plus c by 2 equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. So cos a by 2. Okay? Cos a by 2. A by 2. Okay? Now, what you are trying? Hence, sin 90 minus theta equal to sin 90 degrees minus theta equal to sin of 90 degrees minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, that is the formula we are applying in this problem. Okay, now what? And 90 minus theta equal cos theta. So similarly, sin 90 degrees minus a by 2 equal to cos a by 2. Since here theta equal to a by 2. So therefore, sin 90 minus sin of b plus c by 2 equal to b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. Okay, cos a by 2. Okay, b plus c by 2 equal cos a by 2. So we got the required equation which is hospital root. So hence root. Okay, these are your examples about trigonometric issues of complementary angles. In the next class, we can discuss the exercise 7.3 and its corresponding problems. Okay, thank you.